metals traded with modest bearishness throughout the day and has recovered smartly now and has come towards the next resistance is at 2632 and 3060 levels. We have seen a very strong support coming in for gold at 2610-12 zone, as we have discussed earlier in the day that if it trades below 2622-24, we can expect a movement towards 2616 and then 2610 levels. Precisely a bounce back was seen from the same levels, and likewise with silver, 3020 levels have proven out to be greater support. So now what to expect from gold and silver today? Can we expect this recovery to continue, or we are again looking forward to a crash here? What we had seen yesterday, even if we see half the movement of yesterday, it is going to trade below 2580 levels here. Can we expect this, or it is a recovery day? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence, trade with. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with all the detailed analysis and logical levels. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. First, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See what has happened so far. It has waited for the 20 period to come down. It has seen a dip here, and you can see it is delivering slightly higher highs, higher lows. It is under retracement. That is very, very clear. Now, 20 period moving average is giving it a good resistance here. Let it stay above 20 period moving average. Let it close above 20 period moving average and move towards 2640. Now, once it trades beyond 2640, 42, chances will be high that we may see gold at 2648, 50, 54, 55, and 58.60 as the three resistances. Very, very important for gold to trade above 2660 levels. That is the only level above which I can say now it is turning bullish and we can expect a further rise. Now, what is happening? Look at the formation: drop, retracement, drop. It should ideally retrace. It is weighted enough, and now how high it can rise? If you see this, the median of this is somewhere here at 2650, and then possibly 2658.60. So breaking beyond which certainly we are looking forward to a V-shaped recovery as well. But right now I will say exercise a bit of caution here till 2650 and 2660 zone. It is going to be a prime resistance zone. So where to buy? Now ideally 26 32 34 zone you should buy, which is already it is right now trading at. So wait a little, you can buy now at 2636 levels, expect 2640, 42, and then higher levels. Now see what is happening. See, stochastic is back to overbought levels, and see this is a cyclical thing which always follows here. So it has come to overbought zone. We can see slight retracement on the early charts, but look at MACD. What has happened after retracing here sharp, hitting the bottom? It has crossed over, trading with divergence, and it is still having lot much of room on the upside for a further rise. RSI rising as well, coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts. It is similar observation here, which you can see this after the drop, trading in this moderate retracement channel. Very, very important for gold to now trade beyond 26 35, 36, and 26 40, 42. Very, very clear, and then we will see greater resistance at 48, 50, and higher levels. Yes, these are achievable levels, and these are definitely going to remain greater resistance levels. Now if you track the movement, drop, retracement, and right now it is looking downwards on the downside, as I shared earlier in the day as well, till 2610. We should not be treating this as bearish. Only bearishness is if it trades below 2610, 2608 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD, if you see, it has seen retracement. It is willing to converge and wait for a crossover for it to confirm the reversal. RSI rising from the bottom, coming to 3 hour. Now see on the 3 hour charts, drop, one retracement candle, then couple of bearish candle, and a bounce back candle. Now observe the candle closely. You will find a flat bottom and a flat top. This is a Mariboju candle, which is a very good of inherent strength here. Now the point again 26, 24, 22 will come into picture, below which it will again try to hit the lows, and below 26, 10, 08 only you can say that it is turning bearish. So once it passes below 50% of the preceding candle is where you can say that it is turning bearish. While this candle is an indication that there is a possibility of a breakout. Breakout till what zone? Breakout is possible for a recovery here towards 26. 48, 50, or in fact higher levels. But right now I can say that the movement is missing here. The moving averages have also converged, and these are on the verge of a crossover, which is a bearish sign. Stochastic rising, MACD has seen good retracement. Wait for it to converge, wait for it to cross over. That will signal a reversal. RSI comfortable near to the bottom. And on the 4 hour charts, red green, this is how it is swing throughout the day. Time for it to take a direction. The direction it is going to take is going to be with strength, because once it breaks out here, we can look forward to 4042, and once it breaks out beyond 4042, we are looking forward to a good rise at least towards 4850, 5455, and in fact 5860 zone is possible and achievable. Right now, that strong momentum or the breakout is what we are waiting for. Now, why we are looking for this? See, it is consolidated enough here. It has to give breakout. And now remember, if it reverses from here, I think the movement on the upside is going to be difficult. If it breaks from here below 260810, I think the rise is going to be very, very difficult. But ideally, what we are looking at, red green, and now waiting for a breakout, and thus beyond 2635, 36, you should stay bullish here. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is still bearish, trying to converge. RSI comfortable near to the bottom here. Coming to the daily. Now, before we proceed to the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, see what we are observing on the daily charts. Look at the reversal sign. After the reversal, we have seen a good rise. In one single candle, it has erased the gains from 4 trading sessions. Now, it is again trying to put itself back into the path which it has taken or chosen. The important thing which gold is suggesting is, see why it is reversed from this zone, because it do not want to break the barrier here at 2750. It is willing to close the month in red. Now let me show you some. See, this is the first red candle after 8 to 10 months, and it is willing to close the month in red. That is very, very clear. With the move yesterday, we can draw a conclusion that it is not going to break beyond 2750 levels any point of time, and at worst, at best, it can close somewhere here around 2700, and then the next month might stay bearish. So this is just a futuristic prediction which I am trying to make. But yes, for the day, if you look at it, has formed a flat base. It is trying to recover. It is trying to rise. A possible movement towards 2650, 2660 is what you can expect here in from gold. So this is one thing you should keep a note of. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is still in green. Now see, MACD after dropping here, it has crossed over. It is still in green here, and it suggests that it has still got some room for further rise. Now RSI is also at a comfortable level. So looking at this, I will recommend you to now buy at 2634, 35 levels. Expect 2640, 42, which is achievable. And then beyond this, you can expect 4850, 54, 55, and 2658, 60. Now till 2658, 60, and this complete zone between 2650 and 60 is first is achievable. Second, it is going to remain a greater resistance. So be careful. If it trades about 2660, we are looking forward to a phenomenal rise where we can expect 2670 to 2676, 78, and then 2684, 87 levels. While on the downside now, again, the selling entry is at 2622, 24 zone. Expect 2616, 2614 as the first target, 26.8, 26.10 as the next, and below this it is going to trade below 2600 levels. And this time, if it trades below 2600, it is not going to come back. We are looking forward to 2591, 2580 to 84, and then 2571 levels here. Be mindful of this. If it breaks here on the downside, take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to now. Look at silver here. See, after this drop, it is under retracement, and this is a retracement channel. Now 3060 levels it needs to break, and 3080, 85. These are the two levels it need to break in order to confirm a reversal. Once silver trades above 30, 80, 85, we are looking forward to $31 levels, and beyond 31 is the level at which you can say that now it is reversing. Now the important part is this. See, it was struggling here, and now it has come out of this resistance zone, which appears to be a breakout zone, which suggests that it can possibly move towards 30, 80, 85 levels. So this is something you should keep an eye on, though the moving averages here are trading bearish. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is rising after a sharp dip. It has crossed over. It is looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. And when you see the 2 hour charts, it is very, very important for you to note that it was trading with divergence. It has come towards 20 period. Now, second thing here is it has formed a very good base and it is now giving a breakout, and thus if it stays above 3060, we can potentially wait for 3080-85 to be taken, and beyond this we may see $31 levels here, which is going to remain the prime resistance. We know that now for silver 31-3150 is going to be the prime resistance. It can try to fall back within this zone. If you see the stochastic, this is back to overbought. See the MACD here, first rise, then retracement, second rise, it is retracing here and just 2 candles away, which suggests that we may see more bullishness from here in silver. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts. Consolidation here, first breakout candle, waiting for the second candle here. Now this second candle can take it towards 38.85 and in fact 31 as well. Anything and everything is possible. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. Though the moving averages are right now bearish, but if you notice this, if you connect this, you will find that silver is staying in the box, which means 3150 it needs to break in order to turn bullish, while on the downside $30 levels is the key for the day. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is rising here. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour charts, it is important to note, look at the formation here. Red, green, and then the breakout. Now it is important that if it gives a breakout here on the upside, we are looking forward to a rise which can erase the losses from this candle and in fact move higher. And thus a move beyond 3060 is a good sign that we can initiate a buying entry for 3080-85 or in fact 31 here. Possibility is there. Again, as I said, it has to come out of this box. It is still very much within the box here. Stochastic is starting to rise. MACD trying to converge. RSI comfortable here. Coming to the now, see on the daily charts, one important thing to note that it has shown a reversal here. It has retraced. It has moved towards the 2050 period moving average, which is a greater resistance zone. And now 2050 period moving average are trading with divergence, trading with bearishness. It is a greater indication for more bearishness. But if you look at it, has ideally formed no support here and trying to recover. Now, when you can say that it is reversing, when it breaches beyond 3080 $31 levels, that is the point at which you can say now silver is reversing, and now possibly silver can in fact break beyond 3150 levels very, very soon. Now, ideally, if you look at it, is trading in this bearish channel, and if it trades below 30, you know where the lows are. You can see this, it is forming the lows at 29 here. Be mindful of this, and thus $30 levels are going to remain crucial for the day. Stochastic dropping. MACD is already at bottom, and how low it can drop, that is the question here, because see, it is almost flattened at the bottom and it can try to recover from here. RSI rising. So looking at this, very simple. Buy at 3060, expect 38.85, first target 31 as the next, and then 31.2025 as the beyond which complete reversal towards 3150, and if it trades above 3150, sky is the limit on the upside here. Be mindful of this. On the downside, a selling entry has to be below 3020 levels. 3020, 3010, 3020, $30 levels are going to remain the prime support for the day. Any drop below 30 is a sign of bearishness. Any drop below 29.7580 is a sign of crash today, where we are looking forward to 29.50, 40 and $29 levels directly. Any drop below 29.7580 today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow is a sign of a crash here. I do not see that happening. Possibility of a reversal exists here. Take your trades accordingly. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel, join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe and comment.